Under $300,000, 1 hour outside of Raleigh, four very different ranch-style homes. Which one is your favorite?
Hi everyone, I'm Mandy and this is Listing for You in RDU. If you are looking for a lot of bang for your buck here in the Triangle, exploring the eastern side is really going to help you. The western side of Raleigh is more expensive just because there's more points of attraction there. You've got the major universities like NC State, Duke, Chapel Hill, Raleigh-Durham International Airport, Research Triangle Park where all the big companies are, Jordan Lake. So you're going to see more expensive housing on that side. But on this side, you will get more bang for your buck. Another reason to consider East Raleigh is if you like to go to the beach a lot and you want to beat the traffic. This side is closer to the coast. It's about a 2-hour drive from Raleigh to get to all of our great beaches. So that's another factor to consider. We're about to look at house number 1, and I want to know what you guys think about them. So leave me some comments down below. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send me an email. It's mandymrealtor@gmail.com.
Don't go anywhere. I'm just changing the music, trying to find something fun that you can dance to while you look at these great houses.